My experience going through this as a seller and a potential buyer has been top notch. I could not have done it without Stephanie and her team, honestly. I knew Stephanie was a realtor from word of mouth and other neighbors that have used Stephanie to sell or purchase a home. And I thought she would be the best to sell our home and also to help me purchase a house. We had Stephanie come to the home. She was really able to hear us out. And in terms of what our vision was for selling the house, the marketing of our home was fabulous. She was there to stage the home. She was there to show the home in person every time. As far as purchasing my home, she was fabulous. She would keep me up to date when anything new was hitting the market. She would take me to see homes whenever it was convenient for me, being a full-time working mom. And it was just really a pleasure working with her. And she was just available 24/7. I would 100% recommend her to anyone as her to sell their home or to be a future buyer of a home. She really knows her stuff. She's kind, she's generous, she's honest, and she's definitely reliable.